One of my favorite parts of the Wise Mind Nutrition program is the nightly review feature. The nightly review is something that people in recovery do. It's after a full day of effort. You take a look back at your day and consider, what could I have done better? What can I do better tomorrow? What corrective measures can I take? What did I do right? And so the nightly review feature in the Wise Mind Nutrition app is really based on the food log. So I'm going to look at my food from today, okay? And we're looking at 4 meals that were logged. I've got breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. As you can see here, breakfast was a fruit, vegetable, grain, and a protein. That was a bagel that had some tuna on it, some vegetables, and some strawberries on the side. You could see at lunch I forgot to take a picture, so it's just an empty plate, but I was able to remember to log that as well. So even though I didn't do it beforehand, I did it after, and I logged the vegetable, grain, dairy, protein, and bean, nut, and seed. The snack you could see was a protein bar and a peach. The protein bar had some brown rice puffs in it. So there was a grain, there was protein, there was beans, nuts, and seeds, so 4 food groups. And then dinner was this chickpea pasta with some clam sauce, and there was some Parmesan on there and some parsley and other vegetables. So vegetable, dairy, protein, B, and S. So you could see here at the top, I'm looking at the food group totals for the day. In the course of my 4 meals, I got 2 fruits, 3 vegetables, 3 grains, 2 dairies, 4 proteins, and 3 bean, nut, and seeds. This is a very robust day of eating. I got all the food groups at least twice, and I feel very confident that I'm going to be able to check off all my boxes. So now that the day's done, I'm going to start the nightly review process. I'm going to start in by selecting my food logs. So these are the 4 meals that I'm going to be reviewing. And then I get to see the day as a whole one more time, right? And see the food group totals and be able to look at, are there any food groups that I was missing, etc. I also set some intentions earlier. I set some intentions for sleep, for dietary supplements, and for movement. So I just come back and revisit, did I meet my intentions for sleep? Yes. Did I consume my supplements? Yes. Did I move today? Yes. What could I have done better today? It's probably safe to say that I could have drinking more water. I definitely noticed that my urination was a little bit on the darker side, so I'm going to identify that I could drink more water. And then I'm going to say tomorrow to bring my liter bottle with me. I forgot it, and that's why I didn't drink enough water. So I get a little reminder. What did I do well today? I'm going to say that I had a excellent bag work. I did some kickboxing stuff today, and it felt incredible. So I'm going to submit this review. This is a nightly review and is now submitted. And then when I go into my current day, what corrective measures can I take? Bring liter bottle with me. So the information that I provided in my nightly review comes back and reminds me of what to do the next day. It's incredible. So you stay engaging with your growth and with your progress. I can't wait for you to try it.